Why do we age? Why does our skin wrinkle, our energy fade, and our organs slowly lose their spark? Aging isn't just about time passing. It's written deep in our biology, and science is starting to understand why. Let's explore the 8 key reasons your body changes as it grows older. First, cellular senescence. Every time a cell divides, the protective tips of its chromosomes, called telomeres, get shorter. Eventually, the cell stops dividing. It enters a zombie-like state, alive, but no longer functioning properly. And worse, it starts releasing harmful chemicals that damage nearby cells. Second, DNA damage. Each day, our DNA suffers thousands of tiny breaks. Most are repaired, but over time, mutations sneak through. These errors build up, stabilizing our cells, sometimes turning them cancerous or simply wearing them out. Third, mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are the power plants of our cells, but as we age, they break down. Instead of producing clean energy, they leak harmful byproducts, like reactive oxygen species, that accelerate cell aging from the inside. Fourth, loss of proteostasis. Proteins are the machinery of life, but aging disrupts the quality control systems that keep proteins properly folded and functional. Misfolded or clumped proteins can disrupt entire tissues and are linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. Fifth, epigenetic changes. Think of your DNA as a piano. Epigenetics decides which keys to play. But as we age, that regulation becomes chaotic. Vital genes are silenced, and unhelpful ones get turned on, leading to dysfunction at every level. Sixth, stem cell exhaustion. Stem cells are the body's repair crew. They regenerate tissue, heal wounds, and replace damaged cells. But with age, they become less active. Tissues stop regenerating. Healing slows down. Organs begin to fail. Seventh, deregulated nutrient sensing. Our cells rely on nutrient-sensing pathways like insulin, mTOR, and AMPK to manage growth and repair. In youth, they're balanced, but aging throws them out of sync, like a stuck accelerator, promoting damage instead of health. Eighth, chronic inflammation, also known as inflammaging. Even without infection, aged bodies exist in a constant state of low-grade inflammation. It quietly damages tissues, clogs arteries, and disrupts normal function across the board. These are the biological pillars of aging. But here's the fascinating part. Scientists are learning to intervene. We can lengthen telomeres, clear out zombie cells, restore mitochondrial function, reset the epigenome, and extend not just lifespan, but health span. Aging is no longer an unsolved mystery. It's a biological process, one we're beginning to control. So, the real question might not be why we age, but whether we have to age the way we always have. What would you choose if you could slow it down? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories at the frontier of science.